Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So in this video today we will learn how to check which group policy is getting applied on your computer on your server. So if your system is in domain, your server is in domain environment, it's domain joined, and if you want to check which group policy is getting applied on your computer or on your server, you can check it in very simple way. Okay, you have to go to the run and type here rsop.msc command and hit enter. Once you will enter, this window will be open. Resultant set of policies being processed. So it is basically collecting the group policies details. Okay, from where we can see which group policy is getting applied on this computer. Okay, let me expand this. So here you can see there are two configurations: computer configuration and user configuration. So these two configuration, I mean in case of group policies there are these two configurations: computer configuration, user configuration. Okay, so let's check first under computer configuration. So you need to right click on this computer configuration, go to properties, and whatever the policies or settings enabled for the computer configuration, you will be able to see here. So see, delete remote computer registry keys, set auto Windows update, restrict data deletion, run application automatically, default domain policy, restrict data deletion. So all these group policies are getting applied from the domain controller, or you can say Active Directory. These are Active Directory group policies. But here you can see there is one local group policy. Okay, so if your system is not in domain, maybe you will be able to see this one only local group policy. But your system, if your system is in domain, you will be able to see here the domain post group policy. Okay, so you can check in this way. You can do one thing, you can check under user configuration also, like which group policy is getting applied. So see, there is no any user related group policies pushed from the domain, so only it is showing here like local group policies, no domain group policies. But you can check in the same way, like if any user configuration related group policies pushed from your domain side. Okay, so this is the way how you can check which group policy is getting applied. Okay, there's another option by generating the GP result, but that is long process. But yes, this is the short path, this is a short way how you can check the group policies. Okay, so I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. I'll request again, please subscribe IT Parivar, and if this video will be really helpful for you, please share with your friends. If you need any help or if you have any query or concern, feel free to leave your comment. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.